Is your 2007-2013 Cadillac Escalade key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is quick, easy, and cost-effective, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. This video will guide you through each step. Your Escalade's key fob uses radio frequency signals powered by a 3-volt CR2032 battery to control door locks, the liftgate, and the panic alarm. The CR2032 battery powers the internal circuit board and transmitter. A weak battery reduces signal strength and responsiveness. You'll only need a few simple tools for this battery replacement. First, a new 3-volt CR2032 battery, available at most stores for $2 to $5. A small coin, like a penny or dime, to help pry open the fob, or a plastic pry tool as a safer alternative. Avoid using metal screwdrivers to prevent damage to the fob's electronics. Locate the small slot on the side seam of your key fob. Gently insert the coin or plastic pry tool into the slot. Twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be fragile. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery held in place by a metal clip. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side up. Carefully remove the old battery and insert the new one with the positive side facing up. Ensure it's securely seated. To reassemble the key fob, start with the two plastic halves separated. Align them carefully, ensuring the buttons and internal components match up properly. Now, press the two halves together with gentle but firm pressure. You should hear a distinct clicking sound as they snap into place securely. Apply even pressure around the edges to ensure a tight seal. Avoid forcing it, as this could crack the plastic. After snapping together, inspect the entire seam for any visible gaps. A proper closure will have no spaces and feel solid. If you notice gaps, gently separate and try again. Once reassembled correctly, your key fob is ready for testing. After reassembling the key fob, test it immediately by pressing the lock and unlock buttons from about 10 to 20 feet away from your Escalade. Look for the vehicle's lights to flash or hear the horn chirp, indicating the signal was received. If the fob doesn't respond, you may need to resync it with your vehicle. This is common after battery replacement. Try cycling the ignition key. Insert the key, turn it to the on position, then back to off, and repeat this cycle 3 to 5 times within 10 seconds. After cycling the key, test the fob again. If it still doesn't work, or if you encounter persistent issues, refer to your owner's manual for specific reprogramming instructions, or take it to a mechanic for professional assistance. Here are some important tips and common mistakes to avoid when replacing your Escalade key fob battery. First, always use quality batteries to prevent corrosion that can damage the fob. Cheap batteries often lead to green and white buildup around terminals. For high-mileage vehicles, check the battery proactively every 6 months to avoid unexpected failures. This simple maintenance can prevent lockouts and save time. While newer Cadillac models use rechargeable key fobs that charge wirelessly, battery replacement is still necessary for 2007-2013 Escalades. This low-tech approach remains reliable for these older vehicles. When done correctly, the failure rate after replacement is less than 5%. Common mistakes include improper battery orientation or using incorrect battery types like CR2025 instead of CR2032. For additional tips and community advice, check out CadillacOwnersForum.com, where owners share their experiences and troubleshooting guides.